Australia stands with India against the fight of terrorism. This is what the Deputy Prime Minister of Australia, Richard Marles, said in his opening remarks during the bilateral meeting between the two defence ministers in New Delhi. India's Defence Minister Rajnath Singh also apprised his Australian counterpart on the challenges India is facing on the Western Front.
The Australian Deputy Prime Minister, who also holds the defence portfolio, was given a guard of honour at the Manekshaw Centre in Delhi on Wednesday. He was accompanied by the Defence Minister of India, Rajnath Singh. The two defence ministers are accompanied by the top military brass and officials of both countries. In his welcome address, Rajnath Singh said that India is facing extreme challenges on the Western Front in response to the dastardly attack in Pahalgam in Kashmir.
I wish to mention that this meeting is happening at a time when India is facing extreme challenges at our western border. And we have taken steps in response to barbaric incident in Kashmir. We thank Australia for its support on this issue. We shall be talking more about this later in the meeting.
The Australian Deputy Prime Minister expressed his solidarity with India against terrorism. Richard Marles, who also holds the defence portfolio, said that India and Australia are close partners in defence and maritime security.
We want to make clear that Australia stands with India and all countries in combating terrorism. We acknowledge and we welcome the stoppage in military activity. We see this as an act of Indian leadership. But we will continue to work with India as we combat terrorism in all its forms.
The Deputy Prime Minister of Australia, Richard Marles, is the first senior Australian minister to visit India after the Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese retained power for the second term. Marles's visit to India is part of a four-nation visit to South and Southeast Asia from June 2 to June 5 for high-level meetings. With Nandita Dagar, Vishal Barristow's report for DD India.